Doug.
Yes.
That's it's too dark, isn't it?
That was just right.
You've been touching up who?
I've been touching up your guitar, you dirty bastard. I've been trying to clean all the sponge off.
Dave's laughing because he knows.
Yes.
It's the truth.
I've just been cleaning your guitar because you bought it in a parlour state.
Okay.
It's disgusting. It looks like you've been bloody wanking all over it.
I say.
Sorry, Jimmy. Carry on. Do you mind if I call you Mr. Saville? Listen, you might not have been arrested recently, but it's only a matter of time.
What, for punching you? I'm going to wash my hands now.
I've got my minder here.
Talk amongst yourselves.
Tell how it's. Where are you going?
I'm going to get some of this silicon off my hands.
Oh, Christ. So, turn the radio off, Dave, please. Turn the radio off. Otherwise, I won't make any money from this video. Not that I'll make any money anyway. So, come on, Dave. Let's have a quick recap. The last week in your life.
Yeah. Shit. Same as the fucking rest of it.
Good job. What was that?
Scrapping it.
Good job I don't believe you. Yeah. You are officially Doug's apprentice, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how I describe you on the videos. Yeah.
Didn't you remember the polos that we had?
The what?
The boss and the lad.
No, I can't remember.
I bought 2 sweatshirts and had them embroidered. The boss and the lad.
Oh really? I can't remember. Yeah. Where are they? Just
I think they shrunk in the wash.
There you go. It's coming back. Here we go. He's always been a twat. Oh, he's here.
Right, here I am again.
I've never known anybody take such delight in being called a twat. Bath time, Doug?
Yes, bath time.
Okay, this has obviously turned into video number 3 for Mark, the barrister, and his Stratocaster.
It's in between shots now.
In between shots?
Yeah, shots of paint, lacquer. So this is, it's had some lacquer on it now, and just taking out any sticky up bits. There's a name for them, but I can't remember. All in my long distance path. Nibs.
Nibs.
Yeah. And keying the lacquers ready for.
The lad becomes the man. Nibs, they called.
The apprentice teaching the master, eh?
Yeah. He hasn't even made me a drink of tea or coffee or anything yet today, Nothing. Nothing.
Well, you've got your first slave, haven't you, to do that?
Yeah.
So, final, all sprayed up.
Sorry?
It's all sprayed, yeah?
It's sprayed, yes, it's all done, everything's done on it, and it's just having its lacquery coats.
Okay.
And I had a nightmare with the last lacquer. It kept throwing little white bits out, like little white ball. Little white bits out of the paint gun, and I thought it was something in the gun, so I sanded all the finish off, started again, cleaned out the spray gun completely again, poured new lacquer in, same thing. So I thought, well, it must be in the airline. So I cleaned out the filter and the airline, changed the lacquer again, sanded the guitar and did it again.
Yeah.
And it still did the bloody thing again. It's in the lacquer.
You're joking?
No. Would I joke about something like that? So I've had to throw the tin of lacquer away.
That sounds impossible.
Yeah, well the lacquer is 2 years old and I think it could be that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
Like old paint, just goes off.
it goes off, yeah.
Yeah.
Like we all do.
So what's next with the paint process?
Well, I'm going to let it dry.
Hmm?
I'm going to wipe it down with a
Bit of bog roll.
tack rag. No,
Yeah.
a tack rag.
Tack rag.
Tack rag. It's called a tack rag, and
Bullshit. That's
it's
just
a bit sticky.
it's kitchen towel.
No, it's a fucking tack rag, and it's
kitchen towel.
sticky.
That's not the kitchen towel.
This is wiping it dry. This is not
Is that
wiping the
specific
dust.
sort of?
Will you stop arguing? You don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah, but you're
It's
talking-
called a
you're
tack
talking
rag, you thick
bollocks.
swat.
That's kitchen roll.
That's wiping the dry out. I've used wet water. Water's wet, you know.
So where's this tack rag then?
It's in the spray booth.
Oh well, that's not it. And you were saying
That's
that
not
that's
right.
the
I'm
tack rag.
going to, I said. I didn't say I'm doing.
Full of shit. Go on.
You are. So now it's going to dry in the spray booth. And when it's dry, I shall wipe it down with a tack rag and inspect it again before I
Okay,
spray
I'll
the
follow
lacquer
you in
on.
there. Yeah. Shall we call this the end of?
Yeah, end of our friendship.
Let's call it the end of Mark the Barrister's Strat spray job.
Yes, it is. It's on its way. It's almost done.
What's it? Episode 3. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
That's
there
it.
we.
Yeah.
And these are all getting in the fire.
Are those?
This is where we're cleaning the guns out.
Where are these rags you're talking about?
There.
Okay.
Tack rags. There
Okay,
are.
yeah.
And they're sticky.
Like sort of anti,
Feel.
sort of static.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
See?
Very nice. Yeah. Very
Now
nice.
you know. Argue about bloody everything you do.
He's hard work, isn't he, Dave?
Who him?
Right then, episode 3 out. What are you doing?
What you doing with that
Get
guitar?
out of the fucking way.
Who's put that there?
Doug,
Yes.
end of episode 3.
Episode 3.
Over.
Is it? Good.
Well,
Have you gone yet?
hello.
You put this in here. Oh, I've left it there.
Right, see you later.
Okay, try. Go.